children.
Hello, children. Today, I will tell you about recursion. It may sound strange, but it is not difficult at all. Recursion is when something refers to itself, like a mirror reflecting another mirror, creating an infinite number of reflections. In computer science, recursion means that a program or function calls itself until it reaches a simple conclusion. Let us see how the little animals dealt with this. By the fountain, I met a puppy and a frog. The frog explained to the puppy that recursion is when the frog jumps and suddenly realizes it is in the same place as before. So it jumps again, and then it is back at the start. The puppy thought that if this keeps happening, the frog will never jump anywhere. I later told them that recursion is more about repeating an action that gets closer to a simple conclusion, rather than going around in circles endlessly. By the big tree, a sparrow was telling a bee how he used recursion when he wanted to count all the branches on the tree. He started with a big branch, counted the smaller branches, and then counted even smaller ones on each of them. The bee shared an example of the hive, where bees divide a large piece of honeycomb into smaller parts until each bee gets its piece of work. I explained that they both understood recursion well, breaking down big tasks into smaller, easier steps. On the flower meadow, a kitten was playing with a parakeet. I decided to check their knowledge and ask them what they know about recursion. The kitten explained that recursion is a method where a function in a computer program calls itself with simpler data until it reaches the simplest case that can be easily solved. The parakeet added that it is like building blocks, where you first build the tallest tower, and then smaller ones, and so on, until you get to the smallest blocks. I praised them for their good answers. Recursion is indeed a way to break down big problems into smaller ones until reaching a simple conclusion. Let us summarize what we learned today, children. Recursion is a way to solve problems by breaking tasks into smaller and easier parts until we reach the simplest solution. It is important that every recursion has its simple end. Otherwise, it will never finish. I hope recursion is now clear and simple for you. See you next time.